Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually create your nickname on Roblox with a spacebar in between, so there's space in your nickname. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and go to Roblox. Now sign into your existing account, and from there we go to the top right corner where the cogwheel settings appear. Now we open up the settings, and inside the settings you first see your display. Now if I want to change it, now let's say I want this with a spacebar in between, it says display name contains unsupported characters and I can't save it. Now, there's only one method on how to do this, and that's actually by scrolling down till you find the account location, because this setting is only acquired in the United States. So let's actually find it, the US, and there it is, the United States. Now simply put in your PIN, unlock it, set location, and from there scroll up, go to the display name again, and now I can change it. As you can see, simply press save, and that should be about it. Now as you can see here, your name has been changed with the spacebar and it works. Now if you still get any questions or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below, leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.